Mike, you're in sales here at Whitehouse Machine Tools. What's your territory?
Okay, so I cover West Midlands, the North West, North East and a bit of Scotland as well.
Now the machine that we have behind us here, the WELE machines, that would be perfect for your territory, wouldn't it? Engineers looking for a robust machine tool?
I hope so. These machines come in ranges up to 20 metres in the x-axis, 5 metres in the y-axis, so I'm hoping some exciting opportunities.
Now it's fair to say that vertical machining centres, as this is here, there's lots of choice here, not just in the UK market, but around the globe. What do you think that makes these machines stand out and excites you about being able to offer them?
For me, it's all about the power and the build quality of these machines. We've had a few customers now, it's a new brand to us, WELE, but Japanese parent company, and we've recently had a customer that's come in and done the old-fashioned way of researching the market by doing some test cuts at various companies, and what they found was the WELE actually knocked the socks off the competitor.
In respect of what was the test cutting conditions?
So it was some exotic materials, and we supplied a gearbox-driven spindle box guideway machine.
Often you find these days vertical machining centre manufacturers are looking at cost down, aren't they? They're trying to, maybe introduce features on the machine, economies of scale, build more linear rails, lighter weight castings. Very different to what you've got here, isn't it?
Okay, so we have a mixed range of machines. We do have the linear rail machines, direct drive, high-speed spindles. We also have the gearbox-driven box guideway type machines. So there's a huge range available for various markets.
With this particular model here, this is the 1265. It's available, importantly to say, from stock here at Whitehouse Machine Tools. What would this come with?
So this would come with 40 tools. It would come with direct drive spindle at 15,000 RPM, linear rails, swarf management system, spindle chiller.
And what sort of markets would you be aiming it at?
So anyone that's looking for a machine of this kind of capacity, people that are comfortable with FANUC controls, it's excellently priced.
Looking at this FANUC system here, is this any different to what other manufacturers are offering from a FANUC perspective?
It's the same FANUC control, it's just about customer preference.
And the operator panel here as well looks like it's been tailored by WELE to their own look and feel.
It was actually tailored by their Japanese parent company, but with the WELE livery.
Does this machine come with through spindle coolant, swarf management solutions? Would you get all that with this?
All that standard.
Good stuff. And for yourself, Mike, how many of these machines do you think, or how many opportunities do you think there are for you with these machines in the north of England? Bearing in mind that that's a very industrial area that you're servicing, isn't it?
I'm hoping huge opportunity. Once people see and try the machines,
and that's exactly what they can do here in Kenilworth at Whitehouse Machine Tools. If you're looking for not only a heavy-duty machine, but as Mike said, a faster vertical machining centre, the option here is from WELE. There is dozens of machines in the range, isn't there? And that's it from me here at Whitehouse Machine Tools in Kenilworth.